have you back. For today, I'm gonna show you two makeup looks using this palette. This is the Violet Voss #palette, and it was released a couple of months ago. If you don't know how the palette look like, it is purpley and golden shade palette. I remember it was sold out for a couple of months. It was almost impossible to order it from any website. After that it came back on stock and I bought mine from Beauty Bay website. However, after I bought it, I probably used it a couple of times, maybe 2 or 3 times. So I thought that today I will take it out from my drawers and together we will create a look using this wonderful palette. Just mention, I will have to add, I think this palette is lacking on inner corner highlighter or brow bone highlight shades, at least for my skin tone. So from this reason I will use other shades that I have already in my collection. So I hope you will enjoy watching the makeup looks I created with this palette, and let's get started! Hi! I started this look by priming my lids using the Milani eyeshadow primer, which I apply using as usually my fingers. Then I set it up with the shade Fresh from the palette, which is the latest shade, and I blend it up. Brush from Zoeva, which looks like this, and I was dipping into sauce shade and starting to build up my crease, just taking the time blending. This brush is really amazing for blending shadows into the crease. Next, I was going to the PBP shade, which is a purpley color. And I started to deepen up the crease and also coming down in the outer corner to intensify the outer corner. Also taking on the right eye, sorry. Then using a defined crease brush from Geek, I was going to the Ivory, which is a dark color, matte dark color, and I was going to intensify the outer corner, only the outer corner of my eye, because I was feeling that I need this pop of color, as the TVT was not so pigmented as I mentioned before. And then I went back to my Zoeva blending brush and I was starting to diffuse this color to not be so harsh. Yeah, do you like it? Then, taking a flat eyeshadow brush, I was trying to apply the relevant color, which is a purpley shimmer color. It didn't show here, somehow I cut this in. Then I was thinking to use some setting spray to intensify the color. And yeah, now I saw some results. It's starting to show up more vibrant than before. Then I was taking the Makeup Geek Shima eyeshadow, which is a gorgeous shimmery color with a Real Technique shading brush. And I was applying on my inner corner because, as I mentioned, we don't have light shimmery color on this palette. Then I was taking a Real Technique pop brush, and I was taking the Savage shade, and I applied this on my lower lash area. And I went back to TBT and intensified the lower lash area. On my whole eye. Then I was taking the Truth, which is a golden shade, and I add a pop on the center of my lips. Later I regret a bit doing this because it wasn't blending so well on the top of the relevant shade. Maybe because on that shade I was using the setting spray. To finish the eye look, I went with my liquid eyeliner from Physicians Formula and I lined my eyes, giving myself a small wing. Then I went with my Maybelline Less Sensational Mascara and I was coating my lashes, upper and lower lashes. And finally, I was taking my Anastasia Browies in shade taupe and define my brows. Just to give them a soft and natural look. Then I went with my Makeup Forever Contour Pen in shade 112 and I was contouring my cheekbones. Using a BH Cosmetics brush, sorry. Then I was taking my Japanese Kumadori brush and with the same palette I was taking my blush and lying on the apple of my cheeks. Then I took the Naked Flash palette and getting the highlighter shade from there. Lining my lips using Maybelline Lip Liner in a nude shade. And finish the lips also using Maybelline lipstick, matte lipstick. And with this, the look was completed. On the second look, guys, I was using transition shade Sauce in my crease. Then I was dipping up using the G.O.A.T, which is a darkened brown. Then I took Fomo and I was adding on my entire lid. This is what I'm showing you right now. I'm sorry for this, but while I was filming, I realized that I didn't press the record. Then taking a pencil brush from my corner look and the shade TBT, I apply on my lower line. And came back to intensify the lid color with the shade FOLO. Then taking a BH Cosmetics brush, I went to the black matte shade from the palette and I line my eyes just to give a soft look, soft definition. For my inner corner, I took the highlighter Mary Luminizer from the Balm and I apply with a Real Technique detail brush. Then coating my lashes using YSL Shocking Mascara, sorry. And the brush, the wand looks like this. Then taking my Urban Decay pencil in shade Rockstar, I was adding on my waterline and going also a bit on the lower line area. I finished my lips using Anita from NARS Audacious, NARS Audacious, I think it was. So with this, guys, the second eye look was completed. Please let me know below in the comments what do you think about this and which was your favorite look.